How do I turn off WhatsApp notifications on my phone altogether?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to learn how to turn off WhatsApp notifications on your phone altogether. This can be really handy if you're finding yourself constantly distracted by incoming messages. So, let's jump right in.
What are WhatsApp notifications?
WhatsApp notifications are alerts that pop up on your screen when you receive a new message, a call, or updates from the app. They can be quite handy for keeping up with your conversations, but sometimes they can be overwhelming, especially if you're part of multiple group chats or receive many messages throughout the day. In this guide, we're going to learn how to completely turn off these notifications.
Accessing your phone settings.
Before you can turn off WhatsApp notifications, you'll need to access your phone settings. This process may vary depending on whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone. For Android users, 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the notification shade. 2. Tap on the gear-shaped Settings icon. For iPhone users, 1. Tap on the Settings app, usually represented by a gear-shaped icon on your home screen.
Navigating to WhatsApp notifications.
Now that you're in your phone settings, it's time to find WhatsApp's notification settings. For Android users, 1. Scroll down in the Settings menu and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. 2. Find and select WhatsApp from the list of applications. 3. Tap on Notifications. For iPhone users, 1. Scroll down in the Settings menu and tap on Notifications. 2. Find and select WhatsApp from the list of applications.
Turning off WhatsApp notifications.
Finally, we've arrived at the WhatsApp notification settings. Here's where you can turn them off altogether. For Android users, 1. You'll see various categories of notifications, like message notifications, group notifications, etc. For each category, toggle off the switch next to it. Do this for all categories to turn off all WhatsApp notifications. For iPhone users, 1. You will see a switch at the top of the screen that says Allow Notifications. Simply toggle this switch off to turn off all WhatsApp notifications. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off WhatsApp notifications on your phone. This should help you focus on your tasks without being constantly interrupted. Remember, you can always turn them back on if you need to. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.